Hello viewers, welcome to RK Keynotes. In the Python for Data Science module, in the previous session we have seen what is statistics, descriptive statistics, variables, mode and mean. In today's session we'll talk about outliers and median. Basically outliers are extreme values that deviate from the data, which indicates some variability in the data. Let's explore with an example. You see this graph, this is our data and this is our outlier, so which deviates from the actual data. And in the yesterday's task we have explored this example like student marks and all. If you see these marks and Ajit have got 10,000 or something, this can be a typo or something, but this is an outlier here in this data. I've got one more example. If you see this, these robots are performing some task but this is not, which means that this is an outlier. Hope you understood what is outlier now. So which deviates from the actual data. Alright. So what are the causes of an outlier? It can be a typo, it can be instrument error, experimental errors, sometimes intentional errors. Now what is the need of median? Basically to summarize data, mean and mode is not suitable when they have outliers. So that is why we need to use median. Median can be used to find the outlier in an easy way. So it is a numeric value which separates higher half from the lower half and used for normal number distribution to find outliers, and which actually return the central value of a data. Let's take an example. I have got our numbers like this 1, 5, 4, 8 and 9. So now what is the median here? Obviously it is 4 because this is the central value. Alright. Now what if I have a value like this 1, 5 and 8 and 9? So how to calculate median? So we need to take the nearest 2. So that is 5 plus 8 and divide by 2, which is equal to 13 by 2. That is 6.5. So 6.5 is the median. Alright. So I'm going to add one more number over here. And now what is the median? That is 8. So I'm going to split this one into two halves. Like this is the leftmost thing and this is the right half. And the left thing, this is called as 25 percentile. And this is first quantile. And this, the right one is the third quantile. And the middle one is the second quantile. Let's understand this with practical example. Let's flip to Google Colab for the practical demo. First let's import Pandas library. Import Pandas as PD. I'm going to run the cell and I have used a dataset over here, the same dataset which we have used in the previous session. Run the cell and I'm going to display 5 records, data. This is the variable data and dot head function. So if you see this, RL has got 97,000 marks. So this is not actually the right way. We need to find or calculate the median. So what I'm trying to do is, now I'm going to calculate median using this median function. That is, this is a variable median data equal to, so this is the data which my dataset got stored in this variable. So I'm going to use data and then I'm going to pass these marks, like we need to calculate for overall marks, and dot median. So let's run this and I'm going to print this. So the median is 77, that is the central value. Okay, so now we need to find the quantile. So that is Q1 is a variable equal to, this is the data set which got stored, and for the marks, and the quantile is for the first half, that is 0.25. Quantiles are 1/4 of quartiles, and let's calculate this. So you need to specify this one, quantile and the value. So for the first half we said that we are going to split higher and lower value, right? So for the first half we have got 57.25, and likewise I have calculated for the next quantile 0.5 and 0.75 and 1. I'm going to run this cell and going to print this. So in the first quantile we have no problem, and in the second quantile, so this is what the result we have got over here, that is 77. It was showing as median data. Okay, and if you see this third quantile, there is no issue, and if you see this fourth quantile, there is an issue. So using median we can find the outlier easily from which quantile. Hope you liked this video. In the next session, we'll talk about variance and standard deviation. Thank you.